I'm Waqas Mirza. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Avanza Solutions. Avanza is a 15-year-old company. Our focus during these 15 years has been channel banking. So we have our own proprietary products that we use to automate all the alternate delivery channels of a bank, whether they are ATMs, contact center, CRM, kiosk, internet mobile banking, and we have products around transaction processing and payments as well. One thing is that we like to keep on releasing new versions of our existing products. So every year there are new features, new technologies that we incorporate into our existing products. So that is business as usual for us. That keeps on happening year on year. In addition to this, during the past 12 months, we've been focusing on newer technologies and bringing them into the umbrella of our product portfolio. I'll give you an example. For instance, we're working very aggressively on wearables. Google Glass is not a hit as much as it used to be, but we had our applications released on Google Glass, but we're working on Android watches, we're working on all kinds of wearable technology and bringing them under the umbrella of our products. For example, we have a CRM application. So our CRM application is run on desktop applications and mobile applications, but now there are interfaces and triggers and events that can be received on a wearable device. So this is one area we've been focusing on. The other area that we've been focusing on is the beacons technology. So around beacons, we had an Innovation Shack session over here as well around the proximate banking. We call the product proximate banking. What this product does is it enables the bank to reach out to their customers when they are in close proximity to their businesses. And their businesses could be the bank's branch or the bank's ATM or a partner with which the bank is doing business. So these are the two areas, mainly wearables and beacons, on which we've been focusing during the past 12 months. Right now, the focus is, although banking is very good and channel banking has been very good for us during the past 15 years, we've got a very good customer base in South Asia, in Africa, in the Middle East. We are expanding further in terms of our regions. So like I said earlier, this is business as usual. This keeps on happening, the regional growth. We are planning to tap into B2C business now, because we've been a B2B company, but now we are launching a couple of products around proximity and beacons for consumers, and we're entering into retail space and consumer space, and these are sort of, uncharted, territories for us, and we're very excited to go into this space and, make the technology work. We'll try that our positioning is slightly different. We're not, one of the many solutions that are available. That is why we're trying to come up with an entire ecosystem around the beacons technology. So the best thing about this show is that during the 2 days that I'm here, I get to meet all my customers, and that is a very rare opportunity. Between yesterday and this morning, I've sort of met 24 of my customers coming from different parts of the world. So for my customers, it's very reassuring that I am part of such an esteemed event. They see me here, and it's very reassuring for them that they're working with our type of a company. The other aspect of this show that is very positive to companies like us is we get to see and hear what the industry is doing. We obviously have our own ideas, and our R&D tells us where the industry is going, but we get to witness all of that firsthand over here. So I think these are the two key areas because of which this event is very significant for us, and we'd like to participate next year.